to Vietnam. We got a quick 52-minute drive from the airport.
Yes, a very quick 50-minute drive.
In case you guys are planning to get a private transfer, could be worth it. But we just use Grab. They use Grab. And this was about $10
to $12
Canadian. It's not bad.
It's an hour drive, so I mean, I'm happy with a $10 drive. We just arrived at our Airbnb.
It's super cozy. It's a little small, but you know what? For the both of us, it's more than enough. So we had an incident. We never used Grab before because we always use Bolt, and I didn't have my card payment set up until after the fact, and I didn't realize that, and I didn't know you can still book a ride and pay cash later. I didn't know that was a thing. So when we got to our Airbnb, he pulled out his phone and he's like, "Oh, how are you gonna pay this?" And I was like, we don't have any
We were
money.
like, what?
But thank goodness our Airbnb host, so amazing, but she helped us out and we're just gonna have to pay her back, obviously. That's the start of our trip.
Yeah, first thought of Vietnam, man, the people are so nice.
People so nice.
Yeah.
Roads busy. Obviously near the old quarter it's really packed.
And chaotic. There's so much honking. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Just outside of our place is actually a street market. So she was telling us that in the middle of the day it can get quite loud, but we're gonna be out exploring anyways.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay guys, first objective, we gotta look for a bank, but every bank is closed, so we're gonna have to go find an ATM that is outside of a bank and get some cash. We just went to like 3 different banks and we finally got cash on the last one. Man, I don't know why every ATM that we went to literally was not working.
Especially on a Sunday, it was so hard and we didn't take any money in advance, so
yeah.
Just in case, maybe try to change your money before you go.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, at least we can go eat tonight, right? So
let's get some food.
Guys, first impression of Vietnam. Well, the old quarter, it's pretty busy.
Hectic.
Yeah, chaotic.
Doesn't seem like it right now, but it is. I feel like it's more busy compared to Bangkok. I feel like Bangkok, they all stayed in their lanes and stuff, but I feel like here everyone's like swerving in between, going whenever they want to. Like it's...
Yeah, it seems like there's more motorcycles here and they just cut everyone off. Honestly, I feel like they're the same, but it feels like there's a lot more here for sure. Okay, we are gonna cross the road. Okay, this wasn't too bad. We found this cool alley with a bunch of flags hanging and it just attracted us, and there's a bunch of food stalls here. Oh wow, there's literally like a food spot every single like corner here. It's insane. Can I get a haircut like that guy on the street?
Yes. And the tattoos too.
Yeah, I might have to get my head tatted real quick on the street. Old Quarter in Hanoi is so like vibrant at night. Everything is lit up, man.
Very lively.
Yeah, it's like Christmas. There's freaking lights on all the trees here.
Also guys, if you get overstimulated easy, just like know beforehand if you do decide to come right in the city, there's gonna be a lot of honking. Like a lot of honking. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know they had these colors here. Look at that.
Yo.
Look at this pink one.
Yo, how much is that?
How much is this actually? I don't know.
Yo, so we might have to pull the trigger and get like 5 Arc'teryx coats.
Maybe we could get 5 Arc'teryx for the price of half of one.
That's how you know the food is good, when everyone's just sitting in an alley in a small chair.
We might have to try it. If you decide to visit the walking street, know it's only open on the weekends, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 6 p.m. to 12. And it's like a whole bunch of stalls of food, souvenirs, fashion, all of the above. and it stretches for quite a big street.
I'm so hungry right now. We haven't eaten since breakfast, so I'm excited to go find some snacks.
Let's go.
Zay, you've been craving Domino's pizza.
Yeah, with the stuffed crust. We need it.
Bro, you want any glasses? Yo, this is real, guys. Thank you. Dude, it looks so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
First
Dude,
bite.
this looks so good.
Cheers.
Ah, le explicás ahí, amor, lo que queremos. Le explicás lo que queremos. El garlic chicken y el pork roll.
The bread is soft. Like it has a crunch, obviously. And I think they have like mixed pork. Oh no, mixed
Gracias, amor.
pork in here.
And we haven't eaten anything since this morning, so this is hitting the spot. We got some mangoes. We got this for 30,000 dong. That was like,
$1.50, and it comes with this little packet. Salty. Hopefully it's good. Joe picked it out.
sure all of them are pretty good.
Oh, smells good. Okay, try it without it.
It's alright. Kind of sour.
Okay, try it with the salt, I guess.
That's pretty good.
Is that good with the salt?
It's like tahine.
To be honest though, for $1.50 and you get all this mango,
It's not bad.
I like it.
Overall, pretty good for the mangoes.
Pretty good.
Zai's been trying to poke at this mango, but bro, that's the bone, Zai.
I thought I can poke around it. I can't.
Yeah, you might have to nibble on that.
I don't want to nibble on it.
Okay guys, as we were heading home, we actually found another spot to go eat at.
And it's called King Roti.
Yeah, Zai actually showed me this spot, and man, once we saw it in person, it looks so good. We had to go get it.
Yeah.
They're pretty much just like, I don't know, like these buns that are filled with whatever flavor that you got. So I got matcha,
And I got a chocolate one.
so it looks really good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dude, it's soft and crunchy.
Oh, it's hot. Chocolate. Cheers. It's like very flaky on the outside. Crispy. It has that crispy tenderness. And then the inside.
So mine actually doesn't have matcha in the inside.
I think it's made out of
Yeah,
matcha.
I think it's made out of matcha.
It's literally so soft on the inside.
We got ours literally fresh, like 10 minutes before they were closing the store, and it's so good. How is that crossing the street?
You gotta time it.
It's so sketchy crossing the street here. In Asia, we learned that pedestrians don't have right of way. The honking does not stop in this city. So we said we were gonna go to a cafe.
We got stopped by some banh mi.
This is cheaper than the one from yesterday.
It was 25 Vietnamese dong for one. I just hope it's good.
Banh mi part 2. This looks really good.
Dude, that's so bomb.
Honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect from egg coffee because we've never heard it back at home. And you know what? It was really, really good. It was actually sweet. The coffee was strong, but it was a good balance.
The coffee was so strong. You had to really like mix that in.
So good.
Yeah, it was so good though. You guys gotta go. It's so windy here in Hanoi today, but it's so humid still. So we're constantly sweating.
But getting aired
Yes.
same time.
We're at this lake right now called Ho Hwan Kim, and there's so many flowers here. It's so pretty. It's a bit gloomy today, but like honestly, just seeing the flowers brightens up our day. There's a lot of photographers here, so if you guys want like a nice photo op spot, this is definitely the spot.
With the flowers, with the trees. It's really, really cool.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Alright, so right behind us is the St. Joseph's Cathedral. It's a church that is one of the, or I think it is the oldest Roman Catholic church here in Hanoi, and it was built back in 1880.
God
So
damn.
cool. It's really big in person. Never seen a church this big.
Yeah, it's really tall. Super good.
So there's two different areas for this. There's a northern and there's a southern area, or a station, I guess. And we chose the southern one because he said it's less busy. I don't know what the northern one's gonna look like. We might go take a walk there, but it was gated and closed, and there were officials waiting there and saying that you can't go in unless you get escorted by someone who works at a cafe. We were thinking of going around and seeing if we could do it that way, but honestly, like, we were gonna get some drinks anyways. We just thought this is gonna be easier for us, but you might have to run into that situation. There are gonna be 2 trains coming, so it's gonna be so cool.
Hi, buddy. wild here. It reminds me of like House on Road from Bangkok a little bit.
A little bit more chill, I think.
Yeah, a little bit more chill though. And it's nicer. It looks nicer, more